In this video, I want to show you how to pair your Samsung soundbar with a smartphone. To do this, first you will need to grab the remote and then find the source button right here. And now take a look in the bottom right corner of the soundbar and keep clicking on this button until you can see BT. After that, we need to click on the pair button also on our remote. Click and hold it, or actually just click on it once, and then you can move to your smartphone and open the Bluetooth settings. Then scroll down, make sure the Bluetooth is on. That way you'll be able to see your soundbar in available devices and you can connect with it. Click on pair, and now it's paired with my smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.